He's taken part in the election.
Yeah.
He was cleared, right? His nomination was challenged and the court cleared him. A competent court cleared him. It was only after that decision in the Shishua case, that is when now his name appeared on the ballot. The same court that said he's eligible. That is why when you read the petition of the Electoral Commission, it's very interesting. They say, we followed the law.
Yeah.
The man was cleared. We put him on the ballot. We did no wrong, which is the correct position. But the most dubious one is the one which is now coming from the Attorney General's chambers, which has now done
The opposite.
the opposite. You don't do that. There has to be consistency in the position of the law. Yes, the Attorney General may change, Solicitor General may change, but it is the office. The office never changes.
Consistent.
Yes. What was reflected in 2021 was not Kalaluka's opinion. It was the opinion of the Office of Attorney General.
Yeah.
Okay? Now in this case, because it boils down to the issue I'm talking about, people that were put in offices, that is where the problem is, not the Constitution. Now you change the people, the tune changes as well. You know? So, you now have, but Lungu, I mean, that's why I fought that case. I was convinced. I lost.
Yeah.
I have accepted that loss. Okay? Because I expected things could go either way. Now, Lungu took part. What is there to contest? It is over. There's a legal concept that we use, which I have shared with the court, where we said the issue is moot. The issue is dead. The issue of his eligibility in 2021 is dead. There is nothing alive. That election is long gone. The only election we can deal with is 2026. If you are raising this issue for purpose of wait for 2026. Now, these are the problems now. Okay, let's say, okay, the court is being asked to revisit. If the court, and this is what I'm saying, and my plea and my hope and prayer is that the court does not reverse itself. It is in the interest of the country that this constitutional court remains consistent and sticks to its decision, because it is the final court. It will become a joke if at all it reverses itself. And I've looked at it, there is absolutely no ground, no basis on which it can reverse itself, because that election is gone. Now, what are you doing by going back to 2021? We are unraveling things that have already happened. When we start unraveling, where are we going to stop? Okay? We are now going to say, okay, fine, he was not eligible. Fine. But he took part in the election. So, what is the impact of a person that is not eligible on the election that he participated in? If you determine that he was not supposed to be there, but he was there. Now that we know he was there, what is the effect of a person who should not have been part of that election and ended up being part of that election? What is the effect? The court has to resolve that. It has to resolve that. I would argue it means that even that election is tainted. And the outcome of that election is equally tainted. And I'm warning the country, is that where we want us to go?